Dear viewers, he is a very special person to me today. He is none but a teacher of Dhaka University. Sir, what's the department of your university?
My department is Department of Islamic History and Culture. It's a very old department in the University of Dhaka. In this year, 2023, it will going to observe its 75 years glory, I think.
So when Dhaka University has been established?
Yes, Dhaka University was established in 1921. It is a system of the University of Dhaka. Students, those get access in the university, they must have to pass in the admission test.
What is the total number of students are studying in Dhaka University at this moment?
At this moment, nearly 40,000 students are now studying in the Dhaka University.
How many departments, how many faculty?
83 departments and 13 faculties. The number of the teachers nowadays nearly 2,000.
2,000?
Teachers.
Okay. What is the world rank of Dhaka University at present?
Recently, a report published that Dhaka University is now in 600 to 800 among the world ranking. And
in Bangladesh, is it number one? Is it considered number one?
Definitely. There is no doubt that Dhaka University is the first public university in the country in terms of every aspect of idea and concept.
What is the largest university of Bangladesh according to the area?
Largest university Dhaka University, but according to the land and according to finance, there might be many other universities. Somebody called that Chittagong University is the largest university due to its land area. But Dhaka University was the 600 acre land, but nowadays it was decreased due to many government decisions. My dream and I desire to see the Dhaka University in the topmost 100 universities of the world, and if I got any chance to contribute in this university, I always, wherever I will live and wherever I live, it's my first priority to work for the development of the university and also for the department as an alumni.
Thank you, dear sir, for this session.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please pray for our honorable teacher. Thank you.